evening, sitting on the basement. They're scorching my leg. They're scorching my leg. The purpose of the scorching of a target's leg is to do something they call the human behavior control. They want you to lay down, to let them to attack you both with poisonous gases and ELF attacks. That's their purpose. You know what? The floor, they have painted with a layer of graphene. If I turn off the light, just use a black light, it will be green, the surface of the floor. I have shown that in my previous videos. So, be careful. They use this method to burn our feet, to scorch our legs. They want, in the long term, to disable us.